Hey guys, welcome back to Techogram. Today we're going to learn some page replacement algorithms of operating system concept. So let's get started. The first method in the page replacement algorithm is FIFO, which is first in first out. So this is a reference string. These are the total number of frames. You can see there are 3 frames, and what we have to do, we have to find total page fault. So what is a page fault? Page fault means whenever new process arrives in our frame list, first you can see the process 1 arrives, so we have to write as it is because there are 3 frames empty, so we can write in whichever we want. We will start from per side. So a new process arrives, so we will write a P to count a page fault. Now on the second, because this process remains constant and a new process arrives, so we have to write it below that in the frame 2. Because there is a new process arrive, we have to write a page fault. Then the third one and do the same thing because there is a place empty, so because there are 3 frames, and then again it's a page fault. Now what you have to do, the first in first out means the process which came first should be removed first. So there are 3 pages, 1, 2, 3. So which one should you should remove? You can see the 3 just came and the 2 came before 3, and the 1 is sitting here for the longest time. So you have to remove the 1, page number 1. So write 4 instead of 1, and again do the same thing for the 3. And because a new process arrived, you have to write a P. Now again the process 1 arrives, but we cannot remove 4 here because 4 just arrived. 3 arrived only 2 times, and you can see the page number 2 is sitting here for the longest time, so remove this. Now write the 4 as it is. Write this one on the place of the page 2 and write 3 as it is. Because a new process arrived, you have to write a P. Then again a new process arrived, T. So you have to see which process. So 1 just came, 4 came just before 1. So now you have to remove the process 3 because it is sitting for the most time. So now 4, 1, and write 2 instead of 3, and now because a new process arrived, again a page fault. Now in the 5 you can see 2 just came, 1 is repeated only 2 times, but the 4 is repeated 3 times, so we have to remove this 4 and write 5 instead, and same thing. And because a new process arrived, write P. Now 1 came, so you can see 1 is already in our list, so you do not have to do anything, just write as it is and make a cross here that no page fault occurs. And then again 2, we have 2 in our list already, so do the same thing, write the string as it is. And now 3 arrives, so what you have to do, you have to see which process is sitting here for the most amount of time. So 5 is just sitting for the last 3 processes, 2 is sitting for the last 4 processes, but you can see the 1 is sitting here from last 5 processes, so you have to remove this 1 and write 3. So write 5, 3, and then S, 2, and a page fault occurs, so write P. Now the page 4 arrives, so what you have to do, you can see the 2 is sitting here for the longest time because you can see there are 5 instances of 2, there is only 1 instance of 3, and there are 4 instances of 5, so 2 should be removed. So write 5, 3, 4, and a page fault occurs, so write a P. And again page number 5 requested, and 5 is already in our list, so write 5, 3, 4. We have written as it is. And now because there are no new process arrived, and now you have to count how many total page fault occurs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total page fault occur is 9. This is how you can solve the page replacement algorithm using the FIFO method, which is first in first out. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any question, comment, query, suggestion, leave that in the comment box. Subscribe for more. Bye.